Hi guys, today we're showing you how to start a new project in Premiere Pro and also how to import clips. Nice and straightforward. First thing we do, in this window here you've got some projects on the go already, but for now we want to start a new project. So we click on this button here, we'll give it a name, I'll say test 1, click OK, and Premiere should open up nice and quickly. Now in Premiere you have different windows. This window here is your source monitor, this one is your program monitor, this one's your timeline, and down here is your media browser where your clips will go. And the most easy way to import your clips is either by going to File and Import there, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Command and I. And I'll choose one of these that I've made in the past. I'll choose the How to Draw a Pig tutorial. Your footage could be something completely different, of course. And you can see that's appeared here in the media browser. So that's how to start a new project in Premiere and also how to import clips. Nice and straightforward. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time.